Hey, Dan Passarelli of Market Taker Mentoring here. With the market having these big up days and big down days, just all these swings back and forth with great uncertainty as to what direction might prevail, I was thinking about it today, and there are only two ways to trade. That's it. You can't convince me of anything else. There's basically, from a directional standpoint, there's value trading and momentum trading. And that's it. That's all you can do. And they're complete opposites. One is basically, if we're looking at the market from the long side, as in bullish side, if we're trading for value, we tend to want to buy the dips. When the market goes down, get long. And so, for example, that could have worked when we were here. When the market fell here, we could have looked at that as a value play and had a nice short-term overnight profit. Same thing here. When we broke down through this 50-day moving average, despite the fact that it might be a little bit aggressive to look at that as a value play, someone who did, well, it would have worked out today anyway. Now, that said, there's also another way of looking at it, and that is by looking at momentum. And that's the opposite. Instead of buy low, sell high, it's buy high, sell higher. Or sell low, buy back lower, if we want to talk about it from the short perspective. And that would be reasonable to talk about it from the short perspective here. If on maybe this first day here, which I think was Black Friday when the news of the latest COVID variant came out, somebody could have seen, hey, we broke through the 20-day moving average. That's typically a follow-through thing. Could have gotten short here, could have faded the next day and just played the momentum and done pretty well. And we could see that pattern continuing to play out possibly tomorrow. We can see it going either way. Breaking through the 50-day moving average tends to be a follow-through day, and maybe this green candle today is going to be sort of a red herring that will end up ultimately being ignored. We can't predict the future, but we can have a strategy and play it and stick to it, and both of those will work. Trading for value, buying low, selling high, or vice versa, or trading for momentum, buying high and selling higher, or vice versa. I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.